Hello, my name is Mark and I'd like to show you around our Ford Transit single cab with tail lift Dropside truck. This is a 2012 model and it's got 134,000 miles on the speedo. It's got full service history and one owner. As we look inside the cab area, it's been kept very clean. Let's look inside the engine bay. As you can see, the engine is nice and clean. I've checked around and I can't see any signs of any oil leaks. It has been well maintained by the previous owner. So now to the final part of the video and the vehicle appraisal. I'm going to be carrying out a road test where I'm going to be testing the gears, the steering and the brakes. Firstly, now I'm going to be starting the engine. There we go. As you can see, it starts straight away. I'm going to go into first gear and off we go on the road test. Now this has got the 6-speed gearbox on it. It also comes with heated front windscreen, it's got electric windows, and also it's got the CD player which has got the controls down on the steering column down on here. I'm going to be trying to get up to 60 miles an hour if I can, and I'm going to be testing, say, the brakes, the steering and the gears. The gears I've just gone through. Steering, very responsive. And now I'm going to be testing the brakes on approach to the roundabout. And braking, hands off the steering wheel, no pulling. And that concludes the road test of our Ford Transit Dropside. Thank you very much for watching this video.